So again, this is from Midterm 1, and this is number 12 here. It says, to solve each linear system below, and if they are dependent, say so. If there is no solution, then state such also. And this is part A. It has y equals 12x minus 6, and below it is y equals negative 2/3 x plus 10. And you see that the y value is solved for, so what you want to do is set them both equal to each other. So you have 12x minus 6 equals negative 2/3 x plus 10. Then you simplify the equation, and you just subtract this 6 here, or you add the 6 here to the 10. You get 16 on the other side, and then you add the 2/3 to the other side. But they have to find the LCD because 12 is not a fraction. But you know that it's always over 1. So you end up with 38 over 3x equals 16. Then you multiply by the reciprocal, you end up with 24 over 19. And that's your x value. You do the same thing for the y, except that you plug in the x value to the y equation, or to one of the two equations. I ended up with 174 over 19, as you can see here. And then after that, you just add the two answers together for your solution. So it's 24 over 19 as the x value, and then 174 over 19 as the y value, and you box it up. Part B is kind of similar, but it's a different setup here. As you can see that it's in the standard form, so what you want to do is multiply the top by the negative 2, so you cancel out these. You want to find the number that's easiest. I just chose that one. And then I ended up with 10y equals 6. You simplify that to y equals 3 over 5. And then you do the same thing as on top. You plug in the 3 over 5 into one of the two equations. And then I just simplified it, and that's what I ended up with. X equals 23 over 50. And then, as I did before, you add up the two answers to find your solution, which is 23 over 50, comma 3 over 5, box it up, and that's your final answer.